Below is a very detailed, lecture-level explanation of chlorpromazine, oral explanation for medical, nursing, or pharmacy students. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, chlorpromazine. Drug class, typical, first generation, antipsychotic, phenothiazine antipsychotic, dopamine D2 receptor antagonist. Chlorpromazine belongs to the low-potency typical antipsychotics, meaning less extrapyramidal symptoms, EPS, more sedation, hypotension, and anticholinergic effects. Thorazine, largactil, chlorazine, varies by country. Drug forms, oral tablets, 10 milligrams, 25 milligrams, 50 100 milligrams, oral syrup, intramuscular IM injection, intravenous IV injection, used cautiously due to hypotension risk. Number 2, definition. Chlorpromazine is a broad-spectrum antipsychotic medication used primarily for the treatment of schizophrenia and other psychotic disorders. It is also used for severe agitation, nausea, vomiting, intractable hiccups, tetanus, and preoperative sedation. It produces sedative, antipsychotic, antiemetic, and anti-anxiety effects by blocking dopamine and other receptors in the central nervous system. 3. Mechanism of action. Chlorpromazine works by blocking dopamine D2 receptors in the brain. Primary action, D2 receptor blockade in the mesolimbic pathway reduces positive symptoms of schizophrenia, hallucinations, delusions, agitation. Secondary receptor blockade. Chlorpromazine is non-selective, meaning it blocks multiple receptors. Receptor effect, dopamine D2, antipsychotic effect, EPS, alpha-1 adrenergic, orthostatic hypotension, histamine H1 sedation, weight gain, muscarinic M1, dry mouth, constipation, blurred vision. SHAP-Y side effects occur. Nigrostriatal dopamine blockade, EPS, tuberoin fundibular blockade, prolactin, hypothalamic blockade, temperature dysregulation. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, absorption. Well absorbed orally, extensive first-pass metabolism, so bioavailability is variable. Distribution, highly lipophilic, widely distributed to brain, liver, lungs, crosses, blood-brain barrier, placenta, enters breast milk. Metabolism, extensively metabolized in the liver via cytochrome P450 enzymes, produces active and inactive metabolites. Excretion of urine and bile, small amount in feces. Half-life, approximately 16 to 30 hours. Effects may persist longer due to tissue storage. 5. Uses. Chlorpromazine has psychiatric and non-psychiatric uses. Psychiatric uses: schizophrenia, acute psychosis, acute mania, severe agitation, behavioral disturbances. Non-psychiatric uses: severe nausea and vomiting, intractable hiccups, tetanus adjunct, preoperative sedation, severe anxiety short-term. Number 6. Indications: treatment of psychotic disorders, control of acute agitation, management of severe vomiting, persistent hiccups, unresponsive to other treatments, adjunct therapy in tetanus, sedation before surgery. Contraindications. Chlorpromazine is contraindicated in hypersensitivity to phenothiazines, severe CNS depression or coma, alcohol or drug intoxication, bone marrow suppression, severe liver disease, Parkinson's disease, pheochromocytoma, children with suspected Reye syndrome. NESHA 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use with caution in patients with cardiovascular disease, history of seizures, liver impairment, elderly patients, glaucoma, prostatic hypertrophy, history of tardive dyskinesia. Black box warning. Increased risk of death in elderly patients with dementia-related psychosis. Number 9. How to use. Take exactly as prescribed. Oral dose can be taken with food to reduce GI upset. IM/IV should be administered by professionals. Rise slowly from sitting or lying position. Avoid alcohol. Avoid prolonged sun exposure. Number 10. Dosing information. Adult psychosis. Initial, 25 to 50 milligrams orally, 2 to 3 times daily. Maintenance, 200 to 800 milligrams per day, divided doses. EM injection, 25 to 50 milligrams every 6 to 8 hours. Acute agitation. Children. Weight-based dosing requires close monitoring. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if close to next dose. Never double dose. Overdose symptoms: extreme sedation or coma, hypotension, seizures, cardiac arrhythmias, respiratory depression, medical emergency. 12, Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop abruptly. Gradual tapering required. Avoid alcohol, other sedatives, excessive heat. There are 13 side effects common: sedation, dizziness, dry mouth, constipation, weight gain. Extrapyramidal symptoms: Parkinsonism, dystonia, akathisia. Serious tardive dyskinesia, neuroleptic malignant syndrome, NMS, jaundice, agranulocytosis. Number 14, vital information, monitoring and patient education, monitor. Blood pressure, liver function tests, CBC. Avoid driving initially. Long-term use requires regular assessment. Report fever, muscle stiffness immediately. 15, other drugs that will affect chlorpromazine. Increased side effects: alcohol, benzodiazepines, opioids. Drug interactions: antihypertensives, hypotension, anticholinergics, increased toxicity, levodopa, reduced effect, QT prolonging drugs, arrhythmias. Conclusion: Chlorpromazine is a powerful, low-potency typical antipsychotic with wide therapeutic uses. While effective, it requires careful dosing, close monitoring, and strong patient education due to its significant side effect profile. Thank you. Have a nice day.